over there. So this is speed division 4. So these are the 4 questions that I have already written, right? So while I am doing this speed division, so you have to write down the same answer, right? Write down the same question, then you have to provide the same answer at the same time. That is it. So here also same thing. Write down the question, provide the answer. Write down the question, provide the answer, and blah blah blah. So if you have any questions that is not familiar with you, please skip. Don't waste your time on that, right? So you need to practice your speed on this session, right? So I have given enough time to write the answers for this one, right? And now I am going to give you the answers for here, right? So this is 80 degrees angle, and first of all, the first question we have to find the x, right? So we have here and here two different, two parallel lines, right? And two different angles, right? So this is 60 degrees and this is 80 degrees. So first of all, if you want to find x, right, I can do a little bit of construction like this. For this parallel line and for this parallel line, right, I can draw a separate parallel line for both of the lines like this, right, which is intersect with this point, right, which is going through this middle part, right? So this is parallel to both lines, so that we can say if this angle is 60 degrees, this angle definitely should be 60 degrees, right? Because this is alternate angles, so we can say is it type of angles. This one, is it type of angles. And then if we know this magnitude, so this full angle is 80 degrees now, then we can get the subtraction and we can find this small angle, right? Again, then this is again as Z type of angle. This is, if we know this angle, we can say what is x. Right? I will take this as my y, and this as my z. Right? So I can write y. The magnitude of y is equal to 60 degrees. Why is that? What is the reason? So you can say this is alternate angles, right? Alternate angles, right? Then this is y equals 60 degrees. So then you can say z is equal to 80 minus 60, which is 20 degrees, right? In the subtraction. If z is 20, you can say directly x is 20 degrees, right? X is 20 degrees. So why is that? The reason is alternate angles, right? So this is the answer for this one. Now you have to make the x as the subject, right? For this one. So px minus 6 equals qx plus 10, right? So if you want to make x as the subject, you have to take your x's into single place. So here you have x, here you have x. So the easiest way is taking this qx to your left hand side. It is already in the right hand side of your equal mark, which is positive qx. Normally, this qx, positive qx coming to the left hand side, it automatically becomes negative qx. So you have to convert that in by using your mind. Then minus 6, if this goes to the right hand side, it automatically becomes the positive 6. Right? I am going to do both step by using one step. Right? So px minus qx equals, this goes to this one, minus 6 goes to the other side. So already we have 10 plus 6. So here you have px minus qx, right? That means x is a common term, so take it out. So what are the remaining terms? That means you are going to divide this term by x, this term by x. So cancel out, cancel out. What are the remaining terms? P minus q. Then 10 plus 6 is 16. So this is something like xa equals y. So a is in the numerator. So if you take this numerator value to the other hand side, it goes to the denominator. Now it is something like this. Normally you are going to divide both sides by a, like this. Cancel out, cancel out. So x equals y divided by a. So this is same. X equals 16 divided by p minus q. Numerator value goes to the denominator. Right? Same thing. This is the answer. Right? This is two fractions to be subtracted. Right? So x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x, 1 plus 2x divided by 5. Right? So Buddha equal ma 3 and 5 different two denominators. So you have to find the common denominator, which is your LCM. LCM is of 3 and 5, 15. So convert this 3 into 15, 5 into 15. So for that, I am going to multiply both numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 5 minus, here you have 1 plus x, 1 plus 2x. So I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 in order to get 50. So equal mark. I will keep this as it is, 5 times x plus 1, right? So that I will take my common denominator 15, 15 like this, and here minus, here we have 3, 3, open bracket, 1 plus 2x. So same thing has been written, right? By using the common denominator. Now simplify, right? 5 times x, positive into positive. I will take here, right? Positive into positive, positive. 5 times x, 5x. Positive into positive, positive. 5 times 1, 5. Minus into positive, minus 3 times 1, 3. Minus into my positive, minus 3 times 2, 6x. Common denominator is 50. Then simplify. 5 minus 6x. 5x minus 6x. So the big brother is minus 6. Take subtraction, 6 minus 5, 1. 1x. That means minus 1x. That means minus x. Right? 5 minus 3, positive 2. Divide by 50. Right? So that is the answer. Now the finals. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. So we are going to find the perimeter. So here this is an square and you have this side and this side and two half circles. Two half circles. Two half circles means full circle, right? So you know how to find the perimeter of full circle, right? 2 5r, right? C equals 2 5r, right? Super. So I can write the perimeter of this figure at once. 7 plus 7. That means 7 into 2 C plus full circle 2 5r, right? 2 times 22 upon 7, and you have to substitute r radius, right? So how to find the radius? This side 7, this side 7, definitely this side 7, definitely this side 7, right? So if this side is 7, so this is your half circle. The length of this part is 7 centimeters. That means your diameter. How to get the radius? 7 divided by 2. So the radius of this half circle is 7 divided by 2. Same thing here, right? So instead of r, I am going to substitute 7 divided by 2 centimeters. Right? 7 times 2, 14 centimeters plus simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 7 times 1, 7 times 1. So 22 centimeters. 14 plus 22 will give you 36 centimeters. Right? So these are the answers for the speed revision 4. Right? So I'm going to wind up the session from here.